Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Slides app. To know how to find the solution about Google Slides, you should just go to Settings. After that, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this page, you will enter or you will click on the window of Slides or Google Slides. As you see, you will enter here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.